my channel in Botany World. Today our topic is types of leaf. First of all, what is leaf? Leaf is the main part of plant and leaf do photosynthesis, respiration and many other things. And also leaf provide to food and water other part of plant. Okay. So now we start our topic types of leaf. Mainly leaf have two types of leaf, simple leaf and compound leaf. Simple leaf is an undivided leaf that are directly attached to the stem. Simple leaf is undivided leaf that directly attached to the stem. That type of leaf we known as the simple leaf. An example is banana, oak leaves and maple leaves. Okay. Now we talk about compound leaf. Compound leaf is composed to leaflet and having own stalk. That type of leaf we known as a compound leaf. Okay. Compound leaf have any other two part, means any other two types of compound leaf based on leaflets, means how to leaf arrangement and how to lamina arrangement. Based on lamina arrangement and leaflets arrangement and leaf arrangement, we have two other types: palmately compound leaf, pinnately compound leaf. Now we talk about palmately compound leaf. Palmately compound leaf is a leaflet to arising to petiole. Means on one leaflets, two leaflets, three leaflets. There are many leaflets. Whole leaflets arising to petiole. That type of leaf we known as a palmately compound leaf. Okay. Also have a question: what is petiole? Petiole is a stalk. They connect to the stem to leaf. That type of stalk we known as a petiole. Okay. So in palmately compound leaf, we based on arrangement of and number of leaflet, we have other 5 types of leaf. Okay. First is foliate, bifoliate, trifoliate, quadrifoliate and multifoliate. In unifoliate we have only one leaflet. In bifoliate we have only 2 leaflet. In trifoliate we have only 3 leaflets. In quadrifoliate we have only 4 leaflets. And in multifoliate we have only 5 to more than leaflets. Okay. This is a palmately compound leaf. Now we talk about pinnately compound leaf. In pinnately compound leaf we have many leaflets, and these many leaflets arising from midribs, and the midribs have other midribs, and in that midribs we have arising another leaflets. Okay, and look like a feather like leaf. That type of leaf we known as a pinnately compound leaf. Okay, in pinnately compound leaf we have 3 types of leaf types. That types of based on leaflet arrangement. Okay, so first is unipinnate, second is bipinnate and third is tripinnate. In unipinnate, having first midrib have many leaflets. That type of leaf we known as the unipinnate leaf. In bipinnate, leaflet replaced to first midrib and go to second midrib. Which this is the first midrib. This is the first midrib. This first midrib have a leaflet, and this leaflet going have a other midrib. This is other midrib. This is secondary midrib. Okay, that type of secondary midrib have a own and different leaflets. Okay, this is the first midrib. This is second midrib, and on second midrib we have a leaflets. That type of leaflets and leaf we know as a bipinnate leaf. Okay, in tripinnate leaf, this is first midrib, this is second midrib, and this is third midrib. In third midrib have a leaflet. That type of leaf we known as a tripinnate leaf. Okay guys, this is the talk about types of leaf. Okay, we have also 2 other types. 2 based on venation. Venation you know as what is venation? Veins shirav and venation is shirav vinyas. Okay, so in based on venation we have other 2 types: parallel venation and reticulate venation. Okay, we have two types of venation, parallel venation and reticular venation, and that's why we have other two types of leaf, parallel leaf and reticulate leaf. In parallel leaf, we have a that type of leaf. In parallel leaf, we have a this type of veins in leaf. Okay, this type of leaf we known as a parallel leaf, and in reticulate leaf, this is a reticulate leaf. In reticulate leaf, we have a reticulate type, means jalakar type. We have a venation. That's why this known as a reticulate leaf. Okay, talk about other types of leaf. They based on its shape. Okay, three types of leaf. There's a known based on a leaf shape. Okay, so first is linear. The small, flat and linear type shaped innovate have a oval type of shape of leaf. In annipetal, the ellipse type of leaf. Oblong, we have a rectangular type of leaf. In chordate, we have a heart-shaped leaf. In lanceolate, we have a lens type of leaf. In acicular, we have a arrow type of leaf. This tip is arrow type. In reniform, we have a kidney-shaped leaf. In orbicular, we have a orbit-shaped leaf. In sagittate, we have a arrow-headed shape. In hastate leaf, we have a two-lobed sagittate. This type of leaf we know the hastate leaf. In lyrate leaf, we have lyrate type of shaped leaf. In spitulate leaf, we have spoon-shaped leaf. In rhomboid leaves, we have a diamond type of leaf. In oblique leaf, we have a undivided, unequal type of leaf. In cunate leaf, we have a weeds type of leaf. Okay, this is the types of leaf based on leaf arrangement, lamina arrangement, the two-arched stalk and the two-arched with petiole, and two based on leaf shape and leaf venation. Okay, this is the types of leaf. You have any queries, so do comment to me and I reply too fast. Okay guys, thank you very much.